Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat media upload problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to send someone snaps on your Snapchat account but you are seeing the information that says media upload on your Snapchat whenever you try to send a snap to someone, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you remove the information that says media upload. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage, and then you have to go to your Snapchat, and from here you have to simply offload your Snapchat app for one time. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply open your app store and search here for Snapchat. So guys, here you can see this, search for Snapchat, and now you have to simply update the Snapchat to the latest version. So guys, here you will see the option to update, simply update it, and after this open your Snapchat, and here you will see that the Snapchat media upload problem will be disappeared. So guys, here I am clicking a snap, and here you can see this, there is no option that says media upload. So guys, here I am selecting from my gallery as well. So guys, here you can see this, and now tap on send button, and here you can see there is no option that says media upload. So guys, let me show you once it is sent. So guys, go to home and open the stories, and here you can see there is no option that says media upload. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to remove media upload tag or information from your snaps on your Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.